Hi guys! Welcome back to Highlight Arts and Crafts Tutorials and Tips channel. And today's video tutorial about how to make this amazing Ariel mermaid with flounder fish. And this Ariel mermaid smaller, also with flounder fish. For our work we need all those materials. Polymer clay, those colors, skin color for the face, molds for the faces, with eyes. For the small face I will use 0.5 millimeters eyes, and for the bigger face I will use 0.7 millimeters. Baby oil for the hands. We'll finish with glitter, some tools to work with, and metal sticks. So, acrylic paint and very thin brush. For this, I'll use baby oil, put on my hands, and I need to put baby oil in the molds. White glue or hobby glue, place on my table with toothpick. And then on my scales I will use 4 grams of my clay for the bigger face and 3 grams of the same clay for the smaller head. So let's see. 3. Oops, too much. 4 is going to be enough. A little bit smaller. All right. 4, exactly 4. Smoothing. It's very important to smooth very well. It's also very important not to have some hair or some glitter or other small dirt. So this is clean side, and now I'll place to my mold. Press it. Then carefully putting on the paper and turning around. Look clean, perfect. And for the smaller I will use 3 grams. Oh, exactly 3. Conditioning. Make it smooth. This side is clean, and placing it to the mold here. Oh. Here we go. Next step, guys, let's apply the eyes. It's all smaller eyes, 0.5 millimeters are going to be on the smaller face. Use tiny bit of glue to stick the eyes better, and carefully placing them together. Oops. Not too close to each other. And gently pushing them down. Very carefully. Here we go. And for other face, I will use different eyes. Let's use this blue. The mermaid is very pretty. One here and one. And the other side. And also not too close to each other. This way. Here we have already mouse, and here I'm going to use the straw. This is simple straw, plastic one. I just cut half, and we can use it as a mouse. Just gently pressing this way. These two heads supposed to be dry, like this, like I did with purple eyes, or with this teal color eyes, and smaller faces, like this. Look guys, it's 30% smaller. That is dry, that is just made. Next I'm going to paint their eyelashes. Tiny, very thin strokes. Give it some time to dry.